The bottom of that glass?
Nope. So your glass of lemonade.
Right.
Oh.
Pink
Or
lemonade.
you had water.
Yeah, I had water, yeah.
So even with your water, you could sure add a little bit of vinegar to the bottom of your glass.
Really?
Vinegar is going to be your healthy probiotic.
Sure.
So it's going to help you, adds a little flavor to your water without it being soda.
Overpowering?
Yeah, it's similar.
The cucumber mixes really well with water. The other ones will also.
Okay.
You just have to mix it a little bit more. So.
The cucumber, you don't need that much of it.
You,
And to do the parfait, now we toasted the coconut and the pecans, and then you're gonna take and toss in.
Yep, so I'm going to take a glass. I'm just going to kind of, it says to layer, but I have not done this one. So I'm just going to take,
The raspberry balsamic vinegar.
And then swirl that around.
not much, Hannah said.
No,
It's still going to be tart.
Yep.
Squeaky word. Make sure I'm not grabbing sour cream or something. You guys would be in for a surprise.
And a pecan mixture, and then it's going to be finished off at the top with a little drizzle of that raspberry balsamic on it
Okay.
as well. And I would say that's good there.
And a little bit of
So
this.
is this what they use for like when you do the chicken raspberry salads?
Yeah, yeah, that would be one of them.
One of
Yeah.
the flavorings because
And a little raspberry. Do a little bit more.
Yeah, put just a tiny bit more. Yep, there you go.
This and then the raspberry.
Yeah, we're not.
Yep, lots of the topping.
Yeah,
So.
it's so fun. So if you, like Tina just mixed it in. So if you want a little bit more caramelized with that, you can. You can go ahead and put it back in the pan and then get that caramelized if you wanted to. This is going to be just what do you call it? And then another thing that we've done is like there's a raspberry spinach salad that we use with pecans again, and then we finish that off with a little bit of that raspberry balsamic and a little bit of sea salt. Works as a great garnish for your salad. So similar concept.